Hey guys, welcome to English The Gab Lab. How are you today? I hope you're having a great day. I'm so happy to have you here. Today, we're going to see how to ask for different things at a tourist information center. Let's check it out.
Hi there. Good morning and welcome to London. My name is Kate. How can I help you?
Hi. Good morning. It's my first time in London, and I'd like to see the most famous and beautiful places in the city, please.
Great. How many days are you staying in the city?
1 week, from Saturday to Saturday.
Perfect. Have you seen the Big Ben? It's a very famous clock.
No, I didn't see it yet. Is it near here?
Yes. It's very close. Go straight down this street and then turn left. It's very easy to find. You can also see the London Eye. It's a big wheel near the river. It's a very popular place to visit.
Oh, that's true. And do you know how much the ticket costs? More or less.
I think it's about 30 to 35 pounds. But the view of the city is very beautiful. And it's worth it.
Great. I also really like museums. Are they free?
Yes. The British Museum is free. It's very big and interesting.
That's awesome! I also want to see the King's House.
That is Buckingham Palace. You can walk there through the park.
Oh, nice. What is the name of the park?
St. James's Park. It's very pretty. There are many birds and trees, and you will probably see some squirrels too.
Oh, I love that. I love nature. And for lunch, where can I go?
It depends on what you prefer to eat. Do you want a sandwich?
No, please. No sandwiches. I want a hot meal, but not very expensive.
Okay, I understand. Go to Borough Market.
What can I eat there?
You can buy fish and chips. It's the most traditional food in England.
Oh, right. Fish and chips. I prefer something else. Thank you.
Okay. There is all kinds of food there. Traditional British food, Italian, Indian, Asian.
Oh, that's perfect. Thank you so much.
Yes, there are many stalls with all types of food. And everything is very delicious. The only thing is that it's always very crowded, so it's better if you go early.
Perfect. I'll go early. Thanks a lot. One more question. To go to all these places, how do I get there? By bus or by underground?
The fastest way is the London Underground. We call it the Tube. Oh, and the tourist bus is also good to see the city.
Great. Thanks for your help, Kate. Oh, sorry. Can you recommend a show to see?
Of course. The Phantom of the Opera and the Lion King are very famous here. but I'm not sure if there are any tickets left.
Oh, okay. I'll check and see if I can find any. That's all. Thank you so much. You've been very kind.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too. Goodbye.
Bye.
Great job! Now that you've watched the conversation, it's time for a quick challenge. I have 3 questions for you to test your listening skills. Are you ready? Let's see how much you remember. And don't forget, write your answers in the comments below. Let's get started. 1. How long is Charlie staying in London? A. Only for the weekend. B. For 1 week from Saturday to Saturday. 2. Is the British Museum free to visit? A. No, it costs £30. B. Yes, it is free. 3. Where does Kate recommend going for a hot meal? A. Buckingham Palace. B. Borough Market.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future lessons. See you in the next video.
Bye!